Berlin loves the Spree. Not only its scenery, daily walks, quiet shade, friends by the water, orange sunsets. Above all, it's a living system. The aim is simple: make it safer and better for the city and the ecosystem. But who leads? Us? The fish? Or the flow itself? That's why this buoy exists.
Hi, I'm Jakob. I'm an artist and designer from Berlin. My focus is on ecology, specifically on water, and I'm working with the River Spree. The idea is to use the tools of arts and design to enhance the ecosystem's voices. I focused for 1 year on the research to dive into the idea of giving the design practice centering the river. So river-centered design and not a human-centered design. Okay, so measuring water quality is interesting because in the development of this project, I found that good water quality has different means. So for fishes, for example, they need a certain level of oxygen in the water. And if this is not given, they die. For humans, really good water quality means we can drink it. But then swimming quality is not drinking water quality. We can track what is going into the river and how the water health is of the river. And we could help to be placed in certain spots where it is then allowed to go swim. People can track, is it today good enough for me or safe enough to go swim, or is it not so good? And it makes it also really interesting. So we all can become small scientists on the go when passing by a buoy in the city, and we learn so much about the river, which is quite invisible for now. So the buoy consists of different parts. Biggest one you can see here is the swimming module. It's made from recycled PET and it's printed by Bigrep company. Then on the very top you find a lid, also printed from the same material, and that holds small solar panels that allow the data to be sent 4 to 5 times a day. Then we have the aluminium parts holding the whole construction together, and the water quality sensors that are installed in the middle of the whole buoy. There is pH, oxygen, temperature, turbidity, Leitfähigkeit. And the lights in the buoy are the idea that you have a visual component that shows you the status of the water quality. So green means it's a good water quality, and red is really bad water quality. And then you have the whole array between that, from yellow to orange and then red. My choice to work with Bigrep together is due to the reason that I need a high quality print, and also the size of the swimming modules. I was seeking for a solution, and happy to have found the collaboration with Bigrep, because it allowed me to work with professionals and really have the proper size printed with a recycled material as well, which is also not the easiest to find the right material and then have it printed. So there's a few steps you really have to know what you're doing as well. In the hot summer month, there's lack of oxygen in the canals. So right now there's a boat traveling through the canals and it's pumping the oxygen into the water. There's design for the buoy that is even a bit bigger, where the buoy also holds an oxygen pump, and maybe the buoys can be the solution to this boat, for example. There's issues that will come up with the Spree, that there will be less water in the river, around 30% less, because there's the coal mining in Chemnitz, where now water is pumped out of the coal mines into the Spree, so the coal mines stay dry. But that project is closed. Yeah, they will stop pumping the water, the groundwater, into the Spree. So we will have less water, so that's a big problem. So those are things that need to be communicated. We need to learn to live with that. So yeah, I think we really have to learn as society to get into a different relationship with our environment, and then here in specifics with the river. I hope we can go further with this project and maybe even produce a bigger buoy, and have the water tests doing together, and it's great to work together, and really supportive, and I enjoy it. So yeah, thank you.